Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to make a quick video for this Barbie store haul. So my daughter wanted to get this and I wanted to show you what it looks like and some of the features and benefits. So basically it's like a big tub. It's got purple top. These little compartments open up. I'll show you that in a minute. It's got some feet rollers in the bottom so it can roll back and forth. It's nice. Has a cool handle that comes up that you can see so they can pull it along. Also has some Barbies in front here, some cool stuff all around. Let me show you the back of it. It's all pink and purple, which is really cute. There's a hinge. I'll show you that in a minute. Go all around, show you that, and I'm going to show you the bottom, the feet. So what's cool about this here, so it's got two compartments on top. Here's the top piece here. So you can put all the shoes, clothes, some of the accessories right on top here. That's why it's like that in the compartment. So that's really cool. I like that. That's really a good feature. It's got a nice lid that locks and latches right down, just like that. Then we got a back compartment here. Let me open that up and show you that real quick. So a little bit deeper compartment here to put some other bigger items in here, maybe more clothes, some accessories, shoes, different things like that can go in this compartment here. Now let's close this up, take a look at it. So this opens up like a lid, like you can see how it opens up like a lid. It's all hinged right here, goes right to the back. It fully opens up just like that. And here we have a very, very deep, almost like a bucket. And you can put your dolls in here. You can put accessories in here. You can put all different things. A lot of good storage. So this is a great companion for your Barbies. You want to take it with you on the road. You put all your Barbies in here. Take it to the beach, to your friend's house, whatever you're doing. It holds all your stuff right here. And this opens and closes just like you see. I'm showing you just like that. So this is a great little toy. I think it's a great accessory. It comes right down to it. I think your kids are gonna love it. Again, it has the handle, has a little handle over here to carry it like that here. Also on the back, you can see here the little hinges here. So this is a really nice item. I wanted to show you all about it. Made out of all high impact plastic. Kids are gonna love it. I think it's a great little toy. Thanks for watching. Hope I brought you some value. If I did, please subscribe and follow this channel to help me. And also I want to bring you these items like this to help you in making a shopping decision on your review channel. So when you're making a shopping decision, you want to know what it's like. I'm giving you some information all about it. The only thing I don't like about it, this is a little chintzy, this little piece here. But I think honestly, it's flexible enough. It's not going to break. So that was my concern. I don't think it's an issue at all. It goes up and down, and that seems to be okay. And the kids can pull it along as they need to. So that's good. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I see you at the next review. And don't forget to follow for more.